Welcome guys, welcome to the channel guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, thank you all for stopping by. This channel is all about Jamaica, getting to know Jamaica in different areas, rural areas guys, also the town area. So today guys, I'm in the Westmoreland area at the Bluefields Beach Park. Yeah man, so thank you all for stopping by again. Big up on yourself anywhere you know I watch from. Yeah man, may I talk to you way up on the video, you know, may I talk to you. Big up yourself man, one love and one heart, you know. You're a true Jamaican tour guide, Fire Reid. So guys, I'm gonna make the left turn. If I did make the right turn, it will take us back to the Bluefields River. So guys, I'm gonna make the left turn which take us to the cave area, also to Parish, Savlamar, Montego Bay guys. Yeah man, so now have to be careful when I drive out on them road here because always a speeding area guys, so be very careful. Yeah man, so enjoy the drive with Fire Reid, you know, Jamaican tour guide. So guys, you all can indicate where you're watching from. Yeah man, indicate where you're watching from man, so I can give you a shout out in the next video. Yeah man, big up on yourself man, because you know that Jamaica nice no matter what go on. The beautiful island always nice, you know. When you talk about some natural beauty, beaches, some nice Jamaican food, some curry chicken, ackee and saltfish and dumpling, tin mackerel, white rice. I don't know Jamaican people them can cook, you know that already. So when you come to Jamaica, I know so you enjoy everything about Jamaica. Yeah man, so big up on yourself. So I take you around Jamaica, I'm going to see what I go on in the beautiful island. But today we're in the Westmoreland Parish guys, in the Westmoreland Parish. Yeah man, very close to the Bluefields Beach Park. Yeah, a lot of people from in the Westmoreland area, that is the beach part they mainly use guys. So when you come up on holiday time, you can come on the beach. And also when you're in the area, you can get on a roast breadfruit on your left. You know, say roast breadfruit with your ackee and saltfish, mackerel. I don't know if you want it fried guys. Yeah man, see them there, roast breadfruit, yellow and white heart breadfruit guys. Jamaica nice man. What do you think me people? What do you think? What do you tell me? What do you tell me what I go on? What do you tell me if Jamaica nice or not nice? Don't talk to me man, talk to me. You know so now watch me and see what I go on. So don't leave in the comment section and don't tell me what I go on. So a good phone I can interact with the people them. A video I reach out to the people them and they can tell me say yes Fire Reid, boy I'm not like that area you know, boy I'm like that area you know. So just talk to me man, talk to me and tell me what I go on. Yeah man, so I'm going to remind you, we're in the Westmoreland area again guys. Going towards the cave area. I call one place them call it cave. Yeah man. So guys, out of St. Elizabeth Parish or Westmoreland Parish, which one do you prefer guys? Because you know in Westmoreland, you know see a lot of tourist areas, the Negril place there, the Westmoreland side. You know so when you come on to St. Elizabeth is the bread basket. Yeah man, the bread basket, you know you get a lot of different types of ground food. Them say St. Elizabeth can feed the whole of Jamaica. I will touch the south side. Yeah man, this one you get you know Scallion and Time. Touch Treasure Beach area, the beach area there so. But it's not a beach where you can go and enjoy the swimming moment. But when you know so you come on Negril, that's you can talk about swimming, white sand beach. Yeah man, and them hotel there, them big hotel there in Negril. So you don't know, them are going to say them prefer the Negril side still, but you know, I love my Treasure Beach area guys. Yeah man, for once in a Treasure Beach, you can feel a different sensation in the Treasure Beach area. It just feels different guys. So you need to check out the Treasure Beach area. Just rent a villa down there also, an Airbnb. Take a drive to the Junction area, Junction Town. Junction Town is where you have you see a lot of brown ladies in the Junction Town area, guys. Also, the hottest town is Santa Cruz. If you need some heat in your body, guys, please can go to the Santa Cruz town area. That is the hottest town in Jamaica. Yeah, man. And when you go St. Elizabeth, where you can go next? Manchester, guys. When you go on Spurtree Hill, you can get in a nice, when you talk about the nice corn soup, peanut porridge, curry goat, and also get a nice view over into the St. Elizabeth area from the Spurtree area, guys. Yeah, man, Jamaica nice. Jamaica beautiful. But we are touring the Westmoreland area today, guys. Yeah, man. Enjoy the tour. Sit down, relax, and enjoy the beautiful tour, guys. If you like to tour Jamaica, you know, I tell you, so try to watch some of them videos here and know what going on in Jamaica. Some of the times you kind of make the wrong turn. Some of the times we depend upon GPS. Some of the times, yeah, man. So cave is like 1 kilometer ahead, guys. Yeah, man, Jamaica nice. I know so now watch the video. I know so now tell me say Jamaica nice. I know so now tell me say, boy, I don't want to come back to Jamaica because of crime and violence, you know. It's not every place in Jamaica bad, guys. Not every place. And I think most countries, a lot of places them have them different pros and cons same way. Them go on with them same things same way. But to me, if you travel in Jamaica in the right direction, you're very free from trouble. Yeah, but you know sometimes some people mix up in the wrong company, the wrong place at the wrong time. But same way, Jamaica still nice. But I tell you facts, my people, I don't know if you hide, and I like say, you hear all over the news, worldwide news, but Jamaica still nice same way, just a positive vibes. So a lot of people kind of feel afraid of coming to Jamaica, but you tell them you still can't come to Jamaica same way. Yeah, man, you still can come here and enjoy it. So guys, we're in the cave area. Yeah, man, cave in Westmoreland. I don't know if you would call this the country. I would call this the countryside, my people. I don't know if you would call it the town side, but I would call this the countryside, you know. Yeah, man. So I'm in the west. You ever hear about traveling the west, guys? So we're having some nice weather today. Some very nice weather, guys. Yeah, man. Watch out for them petroleum people. Watch out for them petroleum. Always pray on a rear view mirror, because you know some of the times I can swing out a pothole and somebody is overtaking. So always looking on the mirror, because somebody will be always overtaking, guys. And you can swing out of the pothole and you swing into that person. So you gotta be very careful. Yeah, man, you have to watch them corner here, you know, my people. Now this area, because the trees kind of cover the road, obviously the pothole them, so I have to look out for them pothole, guys. Yeah, man, look out for them pothole. Pothole like crazy. Yeah, man, we having some bumpy ride today. Yeah, man, so I don't know, so we have to service the vehicle regularly, because when we drop into them pothole, I tell you, say, no nice, you know, pretty, my people. Them pothole are not pretty. Yeah, man, them pothole are not pretty, none at all. Yeah, man, see the sign, we say Roaring River Park and Cave. Try if you see me, can see that sign there, whose part that sign they lead to. Yeah, man, we have some bad road condition right here, my people. Yeah, man, I have to draw down on one gear and take on the time and go through them pothole here. Yeah, man. Look out for them big truck up on the road. Yes, guys, we are now in the Ferris area, guys. Yeah, man, so we know travel man to go be a lot. So we're in the Ferris area, right across from the gas station. We're gonna make a turn. This road can take you all to Hado, them place there, Montego Bay. Yeah, man, so we're gonna make the right turn.
In 100 meters, turn right. Take the next right, then make a U-turn.
So this they would call a highway, Ferris highway in the Ferris area, guys. Yeah, man. Some people would say 2-lane is not a highway, but in Jamaica, to me, 2-way lane is a highway, you know. So you know, some people who are in a haste to go around the unit. You take your time and until you see the way is clear, you go around the unit like that. You know, some people just overtake any place, anywhere. So you have to be careful of them drivers there in Jamaica, yeah, man. Be careful of them for me, please. Yeah, man, drive safe. Make sure them drive safe with on a journey. If somebody is driving fast with you guys, just stop the car. Just tell them to stop the car and let you out. Yeah, man, your life is valuable more than careless driving. So just tell them to stop the car and let you know out of the car and just get somebody else to take on you on your journey, because your life is very important more than careless driving, guys. Yeah, man, you have a lot of careless driving in Jamaica. I'm not going to hide and talk. A lot of careless driving in Jamaica. Always speeding. I don't know. You have some drivers just a speed them early, but I guess speeding is their hobby. No place like in the West. Yeah, man, Westmoreland. Having some nice weather today. Waterworks. On your left, you have the, I think it's the Honeygan Funeral Home. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you see how she get a nice drive today on the big unit. Yeah, man, she get a job, maybe we'll take her into the Montego Bay area. Big up all the truck driver them on the road. Yeah, man, get a nice female for driving today. Make them feel how they drive feel at the big units. Big up all the truck driver them over the world, worldwide. Yeah, man, for drive a big unit is not an easy task. Big up on yourself, big up all the female driver them same way. Male driver, big up on yourself. Yeah, man, Jamaica, Jamaica. So guys, we make a left turn. Yeah man. So guys, tell me if you don't love the view. Yeah man, so we're gonna enter in our little cane piece here now. A lot of cane. I think cane on the two side of the road. So there's nothing much to see in this area guys, so catch up a little more speed. Yeah man, so we reach back in one different area. Look over them patrol, you know. Patrol up on the road. Yeah man, so when you come at the cane piece here, look over some patrol people. Yeah man, some big of a patrol in the area. So guys, this road also lead you to Roaring River. Yeah man, Roaring River. Yeah man, the sun hot today. I'm telling you, the sun is very hot today guys. So guys, we're in the Petersfield area guys. Yeah man, Petersfield area guys. Yeah man, now so them place you call it Bike Town, guys. Yeah man, Bike Town. So welcome to Petersfield town area, guys. Thank you all for watching. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, your tour guide. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Love how you enjoy the tour with Fire Reid. One love and one heart, you know. Your True Jamaican Vibes.